Welcome to Elpress, world's market leader in total solutions for hygiene-related products. Whenever you're active in the industrial food industry, Elpress is the party to call, because they are the largest one-stop shop supplier for hygiene products, cleaning and industrial washing systems, and also related components. This family-owned business is known for its knowledge of their industry, in addition to the fact that they design and manufacture all of the installations themselves. Customers worldwide recognize and appreciate their short communication lines, which distinguishes them from the rest of the crowd and competition. And did you know that they were the first to offer a HACCP International approved hygiene route, which proves how innovative they still are after 40 years of experience in their field. And finally, the term service is not just a word for Elpress, but a defined milestone of their success. So no matter where you're located, there's always an Elpress agent or distributor nearby to help you create your perfect hygiene solution. Elpress, passion for hygiene.